Okay, I've learned a little more about buzzers and we can demonstrate what I've found out. So I've just plugged in the battery on this one and I've set up the boxer. So the boxer down here, and I've got a momentary switch here. Press that switch and I get a 100 decibel buzzer, and that's good as it stands. But the other thing with this particular buzzer is if I disconnect the main battery, it's got its own battery. So I'll just demonstrate that. So I've disconnected the battery. Telemetry is lost. And you can see that the little unit, the iFlight finder, is flashing. And after a while, you get a bright LED, plus you get beeping from it. Now what you can do, assuming you found your drone, you can press this little button here on the back. So it gets that little button, one beep, and it's off. So that's an improvement. What I had before, I bought a whole bunch of these, so less than $1 each, a whole bunch of them, 60 decibels. Problem is, when you're looking for your drone, you've got to be really close before you can hear it. I thought it would be loud enough because in here they sound fine, but out in the field they're not very loud. So these little guys are supposed to be 100 decibel, and of course with the battery they've got extra functionality. I can press my momentary switch to detect it at any time. If the main battery gets disconnected, which is unlikely, or runs down, then it's got its own battery and it'll start beeping for a while. So, but the main feature for me is louder. Plus I can use the switch on it. So far so good. By way of comparison, here's the one with the cheaper buzzer still installed, and I'll give you an idea of how loud that is. So I'll just plug it in. So it plugs in, you get that little beep. So even with a not as loud beeper, it's still worth having because it gives you useful information. As I say, inside, that sounds comparable loudness, but I think the other one carries better. So, things you learn along the way. By the way, the more sophisticated buzzer from ViFly or iFinder, they cost more. They're around the $10 mark versus less than $1 for these other ones. But I think they do have advantages. It's very annoying losing drones, I'm tending to find these days. So just a quick video this week to give you an idea of the sort of things I'm playing with in the drone world. So bye for now, till next time.